Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe at Heritage Ford. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2018 Ford Taurus SEL. With the SEL trim package, you're going to get lots of great features, as well as a lot of great optional features on this one. Well, here, some of our optional features is going to be the heated front seats, the navigation, and the 20-inch aluminum wheels. Leather seats as well. It's a super nice car. We're going to take it around the block. First thing you notice when we get in, this does have the bigger touch screen. Put my seatbelt on here, safety first. Alright, and as you can see here on our touch screen, all of our options are listed at the bottom: audio, climate control, phone, and nav. So you got your navigation options here. Set your destination, it's really easy to use. Climate control, your heated seats are at the bottom. You can also work your radio and the air conditioning and heating from here. Alright, it's also a push button start. You see it here on the dash. And when we put it in reverse, our backup camera automatically pops up. And then it's also got rear backup sensors, so it's going to beep at you as you get close to an object. It says the 3.5 V6 motor in it. It's got good pickup, and it gets pretty good gas mileage for a full-size car. So you expect to get 21 city, 27 highway. Drives really good, really smooth, not a lot of road noise. Now, also, all Fords come with, right here on the steering wheel, is the Bluetooth system. So it allows you to make and place calls without removing your hands from the steering wheel. Handles really well. Good pickup. Tauruses are really nice cars. It's more of Ford's luxury car. Like I said, in this SEL, it's got leather, navigation, heated seats. Handles really good around these turns. I think one of the most impressive things about it is there's hardly any road noise. We'll take another look around. Oh, there it is. There's your trunk pop, and it has a huge trunk. This is Ford's full-size car. So as you can see, ton of room in the back seat. Really big seats, so if you're going on a long ride, they're really comfortable. There's a lot of room back here. And you can see I'm sitting in here fine. I got plenty of leg room. Then we'll come around here and take a look at the trunk. Like I said, it'll be great for road trips. Huge trunk. You have plenty of space to put your luggage. Plenty of room in the back for passengers. It's a great car. With tons of options on it. So don't take my word for it. Come in today and we'll take a test drive. Again, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford, and I live here locally.